What is it, honey?
Did she ask her if she has any more?
Hey, Maddie. Madeline. Madeline. Happy birthday.
Mom, do you have any more balloons of this one?
Of what?
Of this
Happy birthday, Beth. Yeah, I know. And how about you? How about you? I'd say we're having problems with the focus. Hi, Maddie. Yeah, hi. Hi. What, Jane?
You can put them at this table and film them.
You know what? I can't because I don't have a battery. I gotta plug it into the TV here. Hi.
Well, John, we bring it back
Hi. Happy birthday.
the baby.
Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday to you. Maddie, happy birthday.
Daddy.
Uh-oh. What's this?
What?
What do you got? Oh, birthday hats.
How come no battery?
Well, it wore out.
New one?
I just need to charge it. Not having much luck there, are you, John?
Oh, Mommy!
What's on?
They're not letting me put their birthday hats on.
Why not? Good. Pretty good, John. You happy, Maddie? What's your problem?
You went to Elizabeth John.
1, 2, 3.
You're so happy? You're not very happy at all. Who did that?
I did it.
You monkey.
No, I needed it.
Oh. It goat all over the place, John?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mama, it's blue pop. It goes all over the place. Oh, no.
What's your problem?
Yes. You want to get a Boom.
You happy?
You want to get a new girl? The birthday hat for you. Daddy, let's do this.
What happened?
My balloon popped. There, Dad, a birthday hat.
Hey,
A clown. She's a clown.
don't snap it, John. Oh.
Yeah, I'll put it on.
Put it in my mouth.
Yes.
Oops.
Yeah.
Do that again.